Ojojo, this is the akara version of Wateryam. It is made using Wateryam and it is such a nice snack. So the first thing you will do is to grate your Wateryam, and then you are going to slice in your onions and peppers and anything you'd like to add into it. And then you are going to add your salt for seasoning, and you are going to mix this till it's fluffy. Please don't add oil or palm oil or water, just mix it like that till it's fluffy. And then once it's fluffy, you scoop them in balls and put into your oil must not be too hot, neither should it be too cold. We don't want it to soak oil, and we also don't want it to burn. And so it's supposed, you can turn it over when it's frying to allow the other part fry. So here is how it is inside, and then it tasted nice and lovely. And then I now took it with cold zobo. Hey, thank you for watching.